You're not on record. Hey, so PEP11CUSTOMZ, we're having a toy drive 2021. Got a little Christmas tree. Don't poop on it. It's for a good cause. There's gonna be a lot of cars out tonight. Just check it out. Pinche Richard. Carrie. We posted up. 2SS Sammy. Okay. What's up, bro? Hey, what's up, bro? The pep car. This one right here is bad. You see it? Oh. This is a 101 right here. This thing bad. This one's clean too. I like them taillights, bro. What? This one's cool right here. I love y'all's group, man.
Oh, this us right here too. He new. He joined yesterday.
Duo? What's up with the duo? Duo looking nice. What would y'all take, Challenger or Charger? I'll take them both. Hey, which one will you take? We'll be doing a raffle on one of these, so y'all stay tuned. Color hell raising. I like that. Ooh, boy, got the stars. Okay.
Oh, the girl? No, it's somebody's. Oh, shit.